Hello my darling babies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coralie and today we're doing a Beauty Bay haul. Let's go. I have two favorite retailers, Beauty Bay and Sephora. Sephora and Beauty Bay are my favorite retailers. I love going to websites and going to places where I can get a bunch of brands. You know, it's convenient. You don't have to go on like a separate brand website and then have to hit like, I don't know, $65 to get free shipping. You know what I mean? I just love a website where it's like all in one, which is why I am such a stan of Beauty Bay. I am such a stan of Sephora. So today I bring you a Beauty Bay haul. One thing that I really love about Beauty Bay is that they have many affordable options. They have more affordable brands. They have skincare, makeup, hair care, lifestyle. They have a lot of things. Like they truly have a lot of things and I love ordering from them. Oh, it's my favorite thing. The one thing I hate though is that I always get custom charges. But the custom charges for me have never exceeded $35. So, you know, it's a considerable amount, but honestly, I'm usually mentally ready. I think it's always better when you know you're gonna pay customs, because if you don't know you're gonna pay customs, that's when it gets like, you know, tricky and you're like, argh. Beauty Bay always has like sales, or if they don't always have a sale, there'll always be a sale like around. So what I usually do is I always have like a Beauty Bay basket that I put things in. You know, regularly I'll go on the app, you know, scour, and as soon as there's like a 25% off, which sometimes they have 25, sometimes 30, 35% off the whole website, that's when I purchase, or if like most of the items in my cart are on sale. With that being said, if you guys want to see everything that I got from this round of Beauty Bay, you know, purchases, let's go. This way around, I actually diminished the amount of boxes because I feel like whenever I have to unbox everything in the video, it takes much longer, and I know you guys not here for all of this. If there's anything in this video that you guys want to see a full YouTube video on, a short, a reel, or TikTok on, whatever it is that you want to see, you tell me. I love that they have such a big Makeup Revolution, you know, collection. So this is the Makeup Revolution Lip Contour Kit. This one is in the shade Divine, like so basically this has a liquid lipstick and a lip liner. I haven't used like a liquid lipstick on its own for so long. You have the lip liner like so and the liquid lipstick. Let's swatch them. I am feeling very proud of myself. It's these two right here. Oh, that's very nice. That is very nice. I'm so excited to try these out. It's gonna be really fun. Next thing I got from Makeup Revolution, I'm actually wearing today, and I have filmed a TikTok that will be also uploaded as a short on my YouTube channel. This is the Makeup Revolution Bright Light Highlighter in the shade Divine Dark Pink. This is the swatch of it, okay? Right here. As you can see, girl, this is so good. This is allegedly a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Wand in the shade Pinkgasm. Like Charlotte Tilbury also has a peachier shade of that, which is Peachgasm. And apparently Makeup Revolution also has something that is even more similar in packaging, which I'm very excited to try because this was so good. I really like this. I don't know, they really snapped. Anyways, I used it today. So far I really like it. Use with caution, you know, it dries relatively quickly, and you know, use with caution so that you don't put too much, because girl, when I put on this side, oh my god. The last thing I got from Makeup Revolution, or rather their sister brand Revolution Pro, is this Revolution Pro Sculpting Bronzer with Cocoa Extract. Mine is in the shade Cacao, or Cacao for the girls who know. This is what the bronzer looks like. It looks really pretty. I love the texture on it. Is the bronzer right here. I'm super excited to use those. I honestly need more bronzers that work for me. You know what I mean? Like I only have like two bronzers that I really love. One that I can only wear in the summertime when I'm bronzed. And so I wanted one like powder one that I really love like this. So I'm gonna try this out, and also it's affordable. So I wanted affordable option. By the way, all the prices will be on the screen. Worry not, I got you. Next thing I was so intrigued by, I actually saw Michaela, the really popular beauty influencer on TikTok. She tried the Pink Honey, the blush Bible, and basically the concept is, let me separate them for you, okay? You have two little parts, right? Mine is in the shade Girl Code. So when you buy them, you get the two parts, right? You get Girl Code, for example. There are other shade names, and you'll get the two that are part of that shade name. And when you buy them, you can basically like switch them up, right? And the fun thing is that there is a cream side right here there's this cream, there's a powder side, like so. And what's really fun is that when you get to mix them up, obviously I didn't buy a bunch because I've never tried it and I don't want to buy a bunch of something I've never tried. So basically what happens is that you can like mix them and match them, and it makes for a really fun, compact experience, right? This is a product I really, really like. The cream blush is protected by this little flap over there. You know, I do think I'm a fan of the kind of double-sidedness of this whole situation, and I love it even more that it's a, you know, a cream blush and a powder blush. So super excited to try this. I literally cannot wait. I will film a short on this. Next thing I bought is the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation in the shade Light 250. I saw this girl on TikTok. Again, everything's TikTok nowadays. Anyways, I saw this girl on TikTok and she used a lighter shade of the e.l.f. powder to brighten her under eyes, and it looked so smooth and so bright that I wanted one too. You know, I didn't go too bright because it's harder to make, you know, very, very bright things work. It's easier to make like subtle things work. So I don't know, girl. I don't know. I got this one in the shade 250, which is lighter than my alleged foundation shade, which we'll get to in a second. But I'm so excited. I already like rubbed it, right? Like it's so smooth. I'll tell you guys how I feel about it. This is finally available in Canada. This is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream, color correcting, full coverage, natural finish, collagen peptides, and niacinamide SPF 30. Mine is in the shade medium 355. So as you can see, this shade was 250, which is why I chose this shade, because I was like, that's lighter, and this one is 355, which is my actual skin tone shade. So far it looks like it's gonna be a great match. I'm confident in my shade matching abilities, but I'm really excited, and I'm actually going to film like a short. But I would also consider, if you guys want, a full-fledged YouTube video on this product, because this has received so much praise, and now that it's finally available, I'm like, I want to know what the praise is about. Last product I got from e.l.f. is the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer in the shade Honey Drip. So again, I have a cream bronzer that I love. It's the Huda Beauty Tantour. My shade is discontinued, so you know, we need to start looking for alternatives. I will finish the hooded one though. I've hit major pan. I'm not scared of that one. I will finish it, but I also want to try some new ones to see like what I'm going to replace it with. And I'm a big fan of the e.l.f. Putty blushes, Exhibit A and Exhibit B. I love those, so I think it's only logical that I give a try to the, you know, the putty bronzers. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm really excited to try this out. This I just used this. This is the Glisten Cosmetics Split Liner in the shade Coke Float. Now I've already had, I have like three of, let me show you. I have these 3 split liners from Glisten Cosmetics. I know I really enjoy the formula. That is not an issue for me, but I really wanted the black and white one, so I just, you know, I just got that because I already knew I liked the formula. The one thing that changed my life today is this Glisten Cosmetics number 9 brush. This literally made it so I did this eye look in less than 5 minutes. Usually I really take my time with my graphic liner, making sure things go soft. When you use it, it effortlessly creates like a smooth outline, which made me think about how, you know how nail techs will usually say that the long like nail art brush make it very easy to make like super precise line and super thin lines. Same, very much the same for this. I'm so happy I bought this. It was like one of those items where I was like, do I really need another brush? But this, I think I would rather die now than not have this. This is so good. This is actually a product I saw on Instagram. I follow Made by Mitchell. I don't think I have to say much more. Made by Mitchell recently released the Blush Lights, and so I got the shade Pink Links and Penny from Heaven. Pink Links is also allegedly, I'm saying it allegedly because I don't want to get sued, but it's also allegedly like a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Pinkgasm. And then I got Penny from Heaven because on their Instagram they mixed Penny from Heaven and Pink Links, and it was just the prettiest rose gold. And I am weak, okay? I did these swatches with my left hand, don't judge. But I just wanted to show you guys quickly. I haven't used these yet. Oh my god. Oh my god. These can be used on the lips, on the eyes, on the cheeks. Made by Mitchell has made the blushes very multitasking. And so this, oh my god, this looks like literally liquid metal. very excited. Last makeup items that we have. Jesus Christ, I feel like this video is eternal, but it's not really, but it feels like that to me because I'm very tired. I got some palettes. I know you're probably like, Coralie, what the hell? To which I will answer, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Anyways, Beauty Bay recently released, that's the Beauty Bay core brand. They recently released their 3 series of palettes. And when Beauty Bay releases palettes, they'll usually release a 9 pan, a 16 pan, and a 42 pan eyeshadow palette, right? In the same color scheme, which I think is genius, by the way, because that's so smart. That's so smart because some people will love a color scheme, but for some people, buying a 42 color eyeshadow palette is not it. For some people, buying a 9 pan is not it. And so because I have way too many eyeshadows, I bought the 9 pan palette of each of those color schemes they just released. So they released the Berries, the Midnight, and the Earth. I agreed with my brain, with myself, I was literally alone, that buying the 9 pans was the most responsible thing I could do and still buy eyeshadows. So let me show you guys the Berries. Look at that. Like, they're so pretty. I have to say, Beauty Bay has such a knack for choosing, like, I don't know, choosing color schemes. They're very good at it. If you guys saw my decluttering or like ranking my eyeshadow palettes, I think I called it, the 2 Beauty Bay palettes I own were literally part of my top 10, top 8, I don't remember, but I really like the formula, but I only have matte shades, and so I'm gonna get to try their shimmers with this, which is super, super exciting. This is the Midnight. Midnight is just done. I love Midnight. It's literally right up my alley. And finally, we have the Earthy, which is also just so stunning. I really like them. Like, I honestly really love them. I'm gonna make a short slash reel slash whatever you want to call it for each of these, so you know, that'll be that. Now, honorable mention, I got some sunscreens for this summer's How Ashy Are You sunscreen test. So I have the Hello Sunday Face Moisturizer SPF 30. I'm not going to say much about them because I actually haven't tried them yet, but they will be in an upcoming video, so don't worry about that. Then I have the Hello Sunday Invisible Sun Stick, also SPF 30. I actually also ordered the Bliss sunscreen that everyone's been talking about on TikTok, but they don't ship to Canada. And that happens a lot with like sunscreens and SPFs, which is also why you couldn't get the e.l.f. one at one point, right? I did smell the stick. It smells like a soft baby powder. It actually smells kind of nice. It's not strong. I like it very much. And our final honorable mentions, I know this is a lot, I know. I got some hair products. So this is the Miel Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Mousse for dry and curly hair types. It's actually what I used today, and I so far kind of like it. It is way more fluffy than my usual like wash and go. This is a super fluffy, like super kind of afro, but I really like the texture of the mousse. The texture of the mousse is very soft. It's not crunchy. If I really want to just like define my curls, I wouldn't use this necessarily, or maybe I'll figure out a way, I don't know, whatever. And then this is the As I Am Curling Gel Coil and Curl Definer. I haven't tried this yet. I'm very excited to, probably next time I do my hair, which is probably in 5 days, so you know. I don't think I'm gonna make videos about hair products because I'm not very hair inclined, I will say that. But if you guys want to know how I feel about them, feel free to ask in the comments, and I'll make sure that, you know, I answer you once I try them. But yeah, anyways, this is it. It's it. Boom. I'm so glad this is over. This is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment in the comment section down below other video suggestions, things you'd like to see me do with any of the products that I just showed today. You know, like I said, if there's a review you want, ask it. If you want a wear test, ask for it. I will deliver. If you guys like me, my personality, or the content I put right up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to this channel, baby. We create beauty content mainly with a little bit of fashion sprinkled, some reading, some painting, some vlogs, some sewing, we kind of do a little bit of everything, a little bit of nothing. It's a fun time. If you scroll through the videos, you see something you like, hit that button. Don't be shy. Put some more. You guys can follow me on all my social media such as Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Pinterest. I have all the link in the description box down below. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Thank you so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.